V-belt installation and tensioning. The drive sheave will be mounted to the motor shaft using a taper lock bushing. This system consists of a sheave with a tapered bore paired with a tapered bushing. The bushing will only go in from one side. 3 hex head bolts are used to draw the bushing into the tapered bore of the sheave. These bolts should pass through a clearance or unthreaded hole in the bushing into a threaded hole in the sheave. Do not install the bolts using the threaded holes of both parts. Install the key stock in the keyway of the shaft and slide the sheave assembly onto the motor shaft. Make sure the key stock remains in position. Bolts may be installed from either side so the assembly may be reversed on the shaft. Repeat the procedure for the driven sheave on the gearbox shaft. Verify there is adequate clearance behind the sheave to avoid rubbing against the gearbox housing. Hand tighten all 3 bolts. Verify the sheave is located at the desired position on the shaft and that the key stock is in place. The bolts should be tightened evenly and in small increments. As the bolts are tightened, the split bushing will be drawn into the tapered bore of the sheave. As it is drawn deeper into the tapered bore, the split design allows the bushing to be squeezed until it grips the gearbox shaft tightly. By tightening the bolts evenly, the sheave is kept in proper alignment to the shaft. Recheck clearance behind the sheave after it is locked in position. Before securing the driving sheave, the motor base should be positioned near the middle of its adjustment range to ensure travel is available to align the sheaves when we tension the belt. Verify sheave alignment with a straight edge. Now tighten the sheave or bushing assembly onto the motor shaft. Again, secure the fasteners gradually and evenly for best results. If it is difficult to prevent the sheave from turning while tightening the bolts, the belt can be used as an improvised strap wrench. Tighten all fasteners and recheck rough alignment of the sheaves. Thanks for watching. Visit industrialmaintenancetraining.com for more resources and connect with our customer service team anytime at sales@mstservices.net. We look forward to helping you succeed.